about 2 inches on the ground so far. Probably about another 10 inches to a foot to go. On my way back from Atlantic City, met up with Mark Sudduth, HurricaneTrack.com. Set up a live streaming storm cam on the AC boardwalk. Getting that worked out. Have the link for you in a little bit. As you can see, we got moderate snow falling right now. It's a little bit lighter than it was earlier, but winds have picked up in the last 10 to 15 minutes. Gust, 20, 25 miles an hour. Nothing too crazy yet. Visibility, a couple miles. About a mile and a, maybe a mile and a half. So this is the start of the storm here. Police, hold on. Alright, past the police. Brigantine Lighthouse. Already some blowing and drifting, no doubt about it. If we get a foot of snow and 50-mile-an-hour winds, there's going to be drifts, 2.5, 3 feet tall, maybe a little bit higher in some spots. But to get higher than that, you need to get more than a foot of snow. As you can see here, we're on the bay side of a barrier island in South Jersey. About over 2 inches of snow on the ground, 2.5 inches of snow on the ground. Good, any questions? Fire away. I got about 2 or 3 minutes before I get home.